All right, so this tank we've been struggling with for probably a month now with the green water. We got plants in there. We got plants above. The plants are growing, and we just couldn't get rid of the green water. We tried the blackout method for a week. We put a cover over it. That worked. It was pretty clear. But then about a week after taking the cover off, it started to slowly come back again. The fish all seem happy and healthy, and it's mostly like for us, so we can enjoy this aquarium. So we decided to try a ultraviolet light. Since we're on a budget, we bought what was about the cheapest one on Amazon. It goes directly in your filter. So I'm going to take these three plants that are in the filter, take them out. I'm going to take the polyfill out. I'll leave the charcoal filter in there, but I'll put this in and I'm going to show this every day. I think it looks worse on camera than it does in person, but it's kind of a lighter green in person. But we're going to put this in. It's about 8:30 at night, and I'll show it every 24 hours to see if this works. Okay, the lamp is in there. It's on, and I just set it to 24 hours so it stays on constantly. And we'll check in with it tomorrow. All right, this is 24 hours later. The instructions are very confusing, and it says to use the light 3 hours per day, but I just have it on constantly right now. The reason for 3 hours per day, I think they're saying that it can destroy the beneficial bacteria that's in the filter, but that's why I took the polyfill out and the plants out, because they have the beneficial bacteria on them, and I have them in a jar, which I'll put them in later. I'll put them back in later. And at the end of this video, I'm going to read the instructions if anyone's interested. They're kind of funny, to read, and they're very confusing. But I don't know if there's much difference yet. I'll have to look on the other video, and I'll check back in tomorrow night. Okay, so this is exactly 1 week, and this is the next morning after 1 week of doing 24-hour treatments with the ultraviolet light. I did change out exactly 2 gallons of water, and I cleaned the front and side glass, but I didn't clean the rear glass. You can see that there is some brown kind of probably algae growing on the plants. That's been like that. I'm going to leave that alone for right now. I'm going to leave everything alone for right now. But everything looks really good. This light definitely works, and it works well. All right, so I got the light is still in there. I have it set for maintenance like 3 hours a day, which is what the instructions originally said to do. But I had it running for 1 week for 24 hours a day, and now I have it set for 3 hours a day. I put the original fiberfill back in, which I figured had the beneficial bacteria on it. So one side is touching it, the other, through over here. I don't know if that's going to help, but I figured that might protect the plants a little bit, having that in between the plants. Plants are growing well, and when I did change the 2 gallons of water, I did also clean the filter with the tank water. So that's that. There's the tank. And I would say it works really well. And this thing costs like $16, $17, $18. I'm not sure, but it was under $20. So I really recommend it. I can't recommend it for durability because I don't know. I've only had it for 1 week, but it worked. And as I said, I'll leave it in there for probably at least a week on 3 hours a day and see how that goes. And then I'll adjust it if I have to. I'll just read a couple of things that I thought were kind of confusing. This product is suitable for water treatment of fish tanks, seafood pools, fish pools, swimming pools, hot springs, etc. Water type design, double seal, ensures safety and reliability. When it is used to treat water quality in aquaculture pond, the product should be put into the water tank. It can be used in places where fish can't play, such as filter. Otherwise, it will kill your fish. And something else, what was it that this part confused me? The sterilization lamp should be installed in the filtration chamber to avoid affecting the nitrifying bacteria by shining on the filter material as much as possible. If it cannot be installed in the filtration chamber, it should be avoided. The filtration compartment can be installed inside the fish tank in conjunction with a light shield. Remember not to let the light shine on the fish, people, animal, or plants.